Have a Romi CNC combination teach lathe, model M17, serial number 002094515-403. This machine is also new in 2008, and we are going to run it for you. Machine has 17-inch swing by 43-inch center distance, and we are running. The machine has a GE-Fanuc 21 IT control.
That's 500.
500 RPM. You cannot hear the spindle. 1000 RPM. Machine has a 2.09 inch hole through the spindle. 1500. An A25 ASA mount. Machine has a Rohm 8 3/4 inch 3-jaw chuck.
That's 2000.
That's 2000 RPM. Super quiet. Hardened and ground bedways. Right now he's using the manual pulse generators as hand wheels. Moving the Z. And the X. In this mode, the control becomes a digital readout. That's fine. Do that again so you can see it on the screen that it's moving. There you go, you can see it's moving. Great. And he's moving the other axis, the Z. All right. It's using the jog button. Other direction. This machine has teach mode. You can run a part automatically, run it manually and then run it automatically. G code, conversational. That's the tailstock. The tailstock's number 4 Morse tape. We're at 4.72 inches of travel. Again, that's a hardened and ground bed. He's unlocking it. You can slide it right on the tailstock ways. 10 horsepower. Hey, a Dorian tool post with quick change holders. This is a nice one, and we have 4. They came out of a school. Thank you for watching our video.